Okay, so next let's look at D. Okay, D we have, okay, solve the following. Okay, so 7.2.3, which is interpret speed time graph and describe the movement based on the graph. Okay, sekarang kita tengok di sini. Okay, saya akan terangkan one by one. Okay, so over here you have the graph. Okay, lebih kurang sama macam 7.1, tapi interpretation dia is different. Okay, so sekarang cuba tengok. Okay, so we have OA have positive gradient. So it means the speed of an object is increasing, hence the acceleration. Maksudnya speed dia semakin meningkat, so dia memecut. Okay, sekarang di sini AB we have higher gradient, which is higher acceleration. Makin cepat dia pecut. Okay, now BC. Okay, BC horizontal graph. Okay, it means the object is still moving but with a uniform speed. Okay, contoh macam ni. Okay, di sini acceleration 20. Okay, di sini 40. Okay, 40, lepas tu sini sampai sini 60. Sini dia 60 je, dia maintain je, dia masih bergerak, tapi constant speed ataupun uniform speed. Okay, kalau kita dalam previous graph, which is distant time. Okay, kalau dia macam ni, maksudnya dia berhenti, betul? Itu distant time. Kalau speed time, okay, kalau macam ni dia masih bergerak, tapi constant ataupun uniform speed. Okay, next we have CD. CD is negative gradient. Okay, the object is slowing down its speed. Then deceleration occurs. Okay, kalau sebelum ni, kalau kita turun macam ni, okay, gradient negatif. Okay, maksud dia bergerak dalam bertentangan arah, opposite direction. Okay, tapi berbeza dengan ni. Ni kalau negative gradient, maksudnya dia semakin slow. Okay. Okay, so over here gradient is equals to rate of change of speed. Okay, which is equals to pecutan. Okay, acceleration. Okay, rate of change of speed sama juga dengan kita kira gradient lah, sama macam hari tu. Okay, hari tu is rate of change of distance, betul? Speed is equals to rate of change of distance. Okay, sekarang acceleration pula. Acceleration is equals to rate of change of speed. Dia sebenarnya kira kecerunan sahaja gradient. Okay, so the formula is the same. Okay, so now the distance is equals to area under the graph, and average speed is still the same. Total distance over total time. Cuma beza di sini total distance kita kena kira area. Okay. Okay, now, okay, next, okay, I want you to read, okay, this example. Okay, you can pause this video and you can read and try to understand this this example. Okay, and then look over here. Okay, there are a few tips. Okay, uniform is equals to horizontal graph. Okay, yang ni lah horizontal. Okay, next, rate is equals to coordinate. Okay, and then describe in term of acceleration or uniform speed or average speed or distance and time. Okay, maksud dia awak kena describe acceleration and time, or uniform speed and time, average speed and time, or distance and time. Any yang awak suka. Okay, kalau awak suka acceleration time, buat acceleration time. If you prefer uniform speed and time, tulis uniform speed and time. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to the first example. So it's the first question. Okay. Okay. So the speed time graph. Okay, wait. This is part D. Okay. The speed time graph on the side shows the movement of a taxi within 34 seconds. Dalam 34 second. Okay, state the uniform speed in meter per second of the car. Okay, so uniform speed. Okay, dia nak uniform speed bukan dia nak tempoh. How many second does the taxi have uniform speed? Macam tu bukan. Dia nak uniform speed. So uniform speed, this is speed. Okay, this part is uniform, right? So uniform speed is ini 38. So the first answer is 38 meter per second. Okay. Next, number 2, the duration. This one, duration. Duration. The duration in second, the car is moving at a uniform speed. Okay, so ini kan uniform speed. So 20 minus 10. So 20 minus 10, we get 10 second. Okay, next B. Okay, calculate the rate of change. Okay, in ms -2, okay, meter square per second. Ini acceleration lah. Awak pelajaran fizik kan. For the last 14 second. Okay, sekarang kita nak cari where is the last 14 second. Okay, dari mana dia start? Okay, so we take 34 minus 14 and you will get 20. So the last 14 second start from 20. So this one lah. Okay, so this area is the last 14 second. So dia nak rate of change. So it means gradient. Okay, so kalau gradient, awak ambil dia punya coordinate. Okay, so this one is 20, 38. This one is 34, 0. Okay, so label lah x1, y1, x2, y2. Kalau terbalik pun tak kisah. Kalau ni x2, y2, x1, y tak kisah. Yang penting jangan campurkan x1, x1, y2. Tak boleh. x1, y1, x2, y2 ataupun x2, y2, x1, y1 terpulang. Okay, now macam mana kita nak kira gradient? So kiralah gradient. Ataupun kita boleh buat ni lah, rate of change. Okay, rate of change is equals to, contoh saya ambil 38 minus 0, 20 minus 34. Atas tolak bawah boleh, bawah tolak atas boleh, tak kisah. Okay, so 38 minus 0 is 38 divided by 20 minus 34 is negative 14. So your final answer is negative 2.71 meter per second square. Okay, so dapatlah. Okay, apa maksud negatif ni? Negatif ni maksud dia deceleration. Okay, dia semakin slow, makin perlahan, makin perlahan, makin perlahan. Okay, boleh? Okay, B2. Okay, the distance travel. Distance travel. Apa maksud distance travel? Area under the graph. Okay, area under the graph for the first 20 second. So 20 minit pertama, yang dua ni lah, 0 until 20. So this one, this part is the first 20 seconds. So basically you have two shapes, A and B. Okay, so kita boleh tulis, okay, distance travel in the first 20 second is equals to, okay, so area of trapezium. So we have 1/2 times, okay, 80 plus 38, betul? 80 plus 38 times, okay, base dia 10, okay, plus, okay, area of square, apa, rectangle ni. So 20 minus 10 is 10 times the height is 38. Okay, so boleh press your calculator. So press your calculator and your final answer is 970 meter. Okay. Okay, last one. Okay, describe the movement of the car in the last 24 second. Okay, last 24 second ni mula dari bila? So kita kira 34 minus 24. So dapat 10. So awak kena describe start from 10 second until 34 second. Okay, so the last two shape ni lah. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? So macam kita nampak kan, dia bergerak uniform speed for 10 second and then deceleration for the last 14 second. Ceritalah. Okay, macam mana nak cerita? Tulis. Okay, the taxi move at a uniform speed of 38 meter per second in 10 second. Okay, lepas tu then it decelerates at a rate of 2.71 meter per second square in 14 seconds until it stops. Boleh? Cerita je apa yang awak boleh describe daripada apa yang dia nak. Okay? Okay, next we try number 2. Okay, number 2. The speed time graph on the side shows the movement of a remote control car within 1 minute. Okay, state the uniform speed in meter per second of the car. Okay, uniform speed, this one ni uniform kan? So uniform speed is 14 meter per second. Okay, next. Okay, duration in second, the car moves at uniform speed. Ni kan, uniform speed duration is 60 minus 30. So is equals to 30 second. Okay, B. Calculate the rate of change of speed. Rate kena guna koordinat lah kan. In ms -2 meter per second square for the first 30 second. First 30 second inilah trapezium ni. Okay. So kita boleh katakan rate of change of speed. Rate of change of speed for the first 30 second. Sama dengan, okay, so the gradient of the first 30 second. Okay, so ambil koordinat ni. So the first coordinate is 0, 34. Okay, and then this one is 30, 14. Okay, so the rate of change of speed is 34 minus 14 divided by 0 minus 30. Okay, so press your calculator. So we get negative 0.67 ms negative 2. Okay, so it means ada negative maksudnya deceleration. Okay, semakin perlahan. Okay, next. The total distance travel in meter. So dia nak total distance. So maksud dia hasil tambah 2 ni lah. Okay, so total distance is equals to, okay, area of the trapezium. So 1/2 times 34 plus 14 times 30 plus, okay, area of this rectangle 60 minus 30 is 30 times 14. Okay, so press your calculator. So akan dapat 1140 meter. Okay, and finally describe the movement of the car at uniform speed. Describe lah yang uniform speed ni. So macam mana kita boleh buat? Okay, So the remote control car, okay, moves at a uniform speed of 14 meter per second, okay, in 30 seconds. Settle. Okay, boleh? Macam tu je kan, nampak macam susah tapi simple sahaja. Okay, so now saya nak awak cuba sendiri jawab nombor 3 dan nombor 4. Okay, boleh? Okay. Okay, now to the last part. Okay. E. Okay. Solve the following problems. Okay, so there are 2 example over here. Okay, awak boleh baca lah. Okay, cuba baca dan cuba fahamkan. Okay. Okay, we look at the first question. Okay, the speed time graph below represent the movement of a truck over a period of t second. Okay, so ni movement dia. Okay, maksud dia pemecut. Okay, lepas tu dia bergerak dengan uniform speed, and then dia semakin perlahan berhenti. Okay, now A. Based on the graph above, state the duration of time in second the truck is moving at a uniform speed. Dia nak duration of time. So this one uniform, betul? Okay, so duration of time kita 4 until 18. Berapa second tu? Kena tolak lah. Okay, so kita ada 18 minus 4, okay, is equals to 14 second. Okay. And then number 2, the uniform speed of the truck. Okay, uniform speed dia adalah 30 meter per second. Okay, simple. Okay, next B. Okay, calculate the value of t if the magnitude of the rate of change of speed after the 18 second is 3 times the magnitude of the rate of change of speed in the first 4 second. Pula ni tiba-tiba magnitude semua kan. Okay, tak perlu risau. Kalau dia nak kita compare ni, maksud dia rate of change of speed ni just apa, dia punya ni lah, dia punya gradient. Okay, so kita kena cari dulu koordinat. Okay, so this part, okay, koordinat kita is 0, 22. This part is 4, 30. This part is 18, 30. And the last one is T0. Okay, so macam ni kita nak buat. Okay, so dia kata tadi di sini apa? Result of the 18s is 3 times. Sebelah sini 3 times of this one. Okay, so 3 times. So kita tulislah 3. Kira gradient dia. So gradient dia is 30 minus 22, okay, divide by 4 minus 0, okay, is equals to belah sini pula 30 minus 0 divide by 18 minus t. Boleh kita tengok sini. Saya ulang balik. Calculate the value of t if the magnitude of the rate of change of speed after the 18th second is 3 times the magnitude of the rate of change of speed in the first 4 second. Okay. Okay, saya label lah. Contoh ini adalah A, B. Ni CD. Okay, macam ni. So maksud dia CD adalah 3 times the first one, AB. Okay, boleh Ulang balik. Dia kata the 18 second is 3 times the magnitude of the rate of change of speed in the first 4 second. AB lah. So sini kita boleh buat CD is equals to 3AB. So sinilah ni 3AB sama dengan CD. Okay, boleh. Okay, so kita kira lah. So 3 20 minus 22, so kita akan dapat 8 over 4 is equals to negative 30 divided by 18 minus t. Okay, and then this part kita simplify, kita akan dapat 60. So 60 plus 6. Okay, so 6 equals to negative 30 divided by 18 minus t. Okay, so next section ni kita nak buat. So yang bawah ni naik atas, yang atas turun bawah. Boleh tak? Ataupun tak perlu, kita kembangkan. Okay, so kita ambil 6. Kita cuba Okay, 18 minus t is equals to negative 30 divided by 6. Kita dapat negative 5. Okay, next. Okay, so kita nak t kan, so t is equals to 18 plus 5. So t is equals to berapa? 18 plus 5, 23. Okay, itulah maksud t. Okay, so ayat dia ni sikit lah. Okay, so kena hati-hati. Okay, so next is C. Okay, C. Calculate the average speed. Average speed is total distance over total time. Okay, so kita kira total distance. So kalau total distance, so maksud dia area under the graph, semua ni. Boleh? Okay, so area, so kita ada 1 over 2 times parallel 30 plus 22, 30 plus 22 times base 4. Okay, 4. Okay, ni first part. Plus, second part. Okay, rectangle, betul. Okay, so tinggi is 30 times, base is 18 minus 4, dapat 14 plus, last kita dapat triangle tu kan. So 1 over 2 times height is 30 times base, berapa base tadi? T 23 kan. So 23 minus 18 kita dapat 5. Okay, next divide by total time is 23 second. Okay, so tekan calculator, hati-hati. Okay, last kali kita akan dapat average speed is 26.04 meter per second. Okay, boleh? Okay, so that is question number 1. Okay, kita tengok question number 2. Okay, question number 2. The speed time graph below represent the movement of the Ameng bike within t second. Okay, ni pergerakan dia. Okay, given the distance travel by Ameng in the first 14 second, maksud dia luas yang ni lah. Okay, is 140 meter. Calculate the value of V. V atas ni. Okay, so kita tahu luas segitiga itu adalah 140. Okay, so 1 over 2 times base is 14 times height is V equals to 140. Okay, So V is equals to, okay, half times 14 is 7 kan. So 7 pindah sebelah jadi bahagi. So 140 divided by 7. Okay, so kita dapat 20. Okay, next B. Okay, a Meng bicycle has experienced deceleration at a rate of negative 1.5 meter per second square after the 14th second. Calculate the value of t. Okay, selepas 14 second, this one, okay, which is this area lah kan. Dia lagi dah. Selepas 14 second, okay, dia decelerate sebanyak negative 1.5. So maksud dia gradient this part adalah negative 1.5. Okay, so kalau rate kita kira cari koordinat. So koordinat this one is 14V tadi 20. Okay, T ni adalah this part is T8. Okay, so maksud dia kecerunan ini adalah negatif 1.5. Kita kira lah. Okay, kecerunan. Okay, 8 minus 20 divided by T minus 14 is equal to negative 1.5. Okay, 8 minus 20 is negative 12. Okay, equals to, okay, sekarang yang ni kita bawa naik atas, ini turun bawah. Okay, so T minus 14 divided by negative 1.5. Okay, ingat negatif masih negatif sebab dia tak berubah, sebab dia turun bawah jadi darab jadi bahagi. Okay, dia tak akan mengubah simbol negatif ni. Nanti jangan ada yang tanya, sir, kenapa negatif 1.5 pindah sebelah tak jadi positif? Tak ada, dia hanya berubah satu benda sahaja sekali bergerak tu. Okay, so faham di sini turun bawah, ini naik atas. Okay, maksud dia itu saja yang berubah. Positif negatif masih kekal. Okay, so tekan calculator, negative 12 divided by negative 1.5. So 12 divided by 1.5, kita akan dapat 8. So T minus 14 is equals to 8. So T is equals to 8 plus 14, dapatlah 22. Okay, itu untuk B. Okay, last one untuk C. Okay, calculate the average speed of the Ameng's bicycle for its entire journey. So average speed is equals to total distance divided by total time. Okay, so total distance. Okay, total distance yang depan ni tadi kita dah tahu kan, 140. So 140 plus area yang belakang ni. Okay, so area yang belakang tu adalah, tengok kita kena kira area semua ni tau. Okay, jangan awak nampak ni segitiga, kira yang segitiga pendek tu je. Tak boleh, dia kena the whole shapes tu. Okay, so kita ada 1/2 times, berapa tadi panjang dia, 20 plus 8 times, ni kan 20 plus 8 times, T ni tadi berapa? 22. So 22 minus 14 dapat 8. Okay, divide by T tadi is 22. Okay, so tekan calculator, hati-hati tekan calculator. Nak kira satu-satu boleh, nak kira sekaligus pun boleh. Okay, so your final answer is 11.45 meter per second. Okay, boleh Okay, so I hope clear lah. Okay, okay, so nombor 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, so itu sahaja. Okay, that's all for this chapter. Okay, it's quite a short chapter. Okay, so dalam chapter ni, ingat you have learned about 2 types of graph. Okay, the first one is distance time graph and speed time graph. Okay, ingat jangan keliru sebab dua graph ini berbeza interpretation dia. Okay, so jangan salah. Okay, so saya harap awak boleh cuba soalan-soalan yang saya suruh awak buat. Okay, if you face any problem, okay, just message me. Okay, ingat, tak faham terus tanya. Jangan diam-diam. Diam-diam rugi. Okay. So I think that's all for today. Okay, anything saya akan update dalam Telegram class. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.